Did you know that protein can actually help to reduce the inflammation in your body? Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Lucky, and I've been practicing for over 27 years in my hometown of Charleston, South Carolina. And for those 27 years, I've seen over 400,000 patient visits. And it wasn't until a few years ago that I was really interested in helping people eliminate the inflammation in their body so they could be a better, healthier version of themselves. Most people believe that protein is only for muscle building or only what the muscles need. But in reality, it's really vital in helping with chronic inflammation. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how proteins can help lower those inflammation values and things that you can focus on to help you become less inflamed. So what is inflammation? There's two types of inflammation. You have the acute inflammation that happens after an injury, and that's going to wall off the area to protect the area so the body can then become or begin to heal that area up. And that's great for short-term healing. But when the body starts producing more pro-inflammatory cytokines, in other words, when the body becomes excited and it continues to throw off proteins or continues to throw off cytokines that inflame the body, this is when it becomes dangerous. And this is when you start having problems like blood sugar issues and heart issues, and it can make you have joint pain and weight management issues. And really, inflammation affects every single system in the body. So the good news is, with some lifestyle changes, right? Getting the right amount of good clean water, getting a good clean amount of grams of protein a day, get some movement into your body, making sure you're on the right collagen supplements and other supplements that helps reduce inflammation. All these things will help you reduce inflammation in your body. So why is that important? Well, protein, and when you decrease that inflammation, is going to support a good, healthy gut. A healthy gut reduces inflammation in the entire body because those proteins, especially in those collagen, they line the gut itself. And then it can help regulate the immune function. Proteins have amino acids that will balance your immune system. And also those same proteins will help prevent it from overreacting, like you'll see again in those cytokine storms. And then it's going to lower the inflammatory cytokines. In other words, the right amount of protein, the certain amino acids in those proteins, like arginine and glycine, this is going to help suppress those inflammatory markers in the body. And of course, proteins can also boost your glutathione, which is going to help you detox as well, which is going to fight inflammation. So what are some of the best ways to get protein in your body? And I tell my patients all the time, you should be eating half your body weight in protein every single day. So let's take a look at some of the really good, easy ways to elevate your health, elevate yourself to success. Well, let's talk about like chicken breast. 4 ounces of chicken breast is about 26 grams of protein. If you want to eat 5.5, 6 ounces, just a little bit more, you'll get to those 30 grams. 3 ounces of turkey is around 25 grams of protein. You can get protein from many different ways, not just meats. But if you wanted to eat some salmon, salmon's going to give you about 23 grams of protein for about 4 ounces, and beef is going to give you about 21 grams of protein for about 3 of those ounces. So if you want to bring up your protein intake on beef, just eat a few more ounces of beef. When you take a look at cottage cheese, a cottage cheese has a lot of protein in it. 1 cup is going to give you around 24 grams. So eat a cup and a quarter, and that's going to give you over 30. But there's other ways to get protein as well. When you take a look at lentils are a great way to get a non-meat protein. That's about 18 grams of protein for 1 cup. Black beans are about 15 grams of protein per 1 cup. So if you just doubled it to 2 cups with your black beans, you'd have 30 grams in that one sitting. And then one egg is going to give you about 6 grams of protein. So 5 eggs, if you ate 5 eggs a day, that would give you 30 grams of protein. So if you weighed, say you weighed 200 pounds, you would want to have 100 grams of protein a day. If you got 6 eggs in you a day, or 5 eggs of you a day, 5 eggs at 6 grams of protein, that would be 30 of those. That would be 30% of your daily protein. If you did a protein shake, Fairlife has one that's 30 grams. If you did one of those shakes a day, or got a great protein shake without artificial sweeteners, without artificial ingredients, that would be another 25 to 30 grams. Now you're at 50, 60 grams. You ate some chicken, that would be another 30 grams, and maybe a cup of cottage cheese. Now you're at over 100 grams. It's not hard to get those grams of protein once you know what foods you need to be eating. So if you're ready to take control of your health and you're ready to reduce the inflammation in your body, use some of these foods to help fight inflammation. Click the link below. Make sure you follow me, because I'm going to be giving you some more tips, more strategies on how you can be the best you can be, how you can look the best you want to look, how you can feel the best. You want to be better in every room in your house. You want to be better in the bedroom, the boardroom, and on the ball field. Follow me. I'm going to give you all the tools.